Last video we discussed about the volcanoes. Now we are going to discuss about the seismic waves. Seismic waves. So this is the structure I'm giving here. Okay, these. So this, now this. Okay, and this is the P wave. 142, 142, 103, 103. This complete. This is there, this there, this there. 103. Sorry, 103, 103. So this will be there, and this is how this is coming. 142, 142. So this is the P wave, and this is coming from here, and here is the core. Okay, so this is the P waves. If we are discussing about the S wave, then this will come like this, only like this. So this is the 103 and 103, and this is the core. So this is the P wave, and this is the S wave. Okay, so these are the shadow zone of P wave and shadow zone of S wave in the figure I'm showing you first. Now, what is the wave generated by the earthquake are called the seismic wave. Study of earthquake is called the seismology. Seismology. So speed of seismic wave in crust is around 2 to 8 km per second, and in mantle is around 8 to 13 km per second. Instrument used by seismic wave is seismograph, accelerometer, geophone, and hydrophone. So seismograph, accelerometer, geophone, and hydrophone. Okay, these are the instruments. Now, characteristics. The velocity of wave change as they travel through material with different densities. So if there is a change in the density, the velocity will also be change. It is proportional to each other. So wave travel with the higher velocity is denser material. If there is the higher velocity, then it will be the more denser. Wave change their direction as they reflect across material with different density, generated due to release of energy at focus. So body wave. First of all, we are discussing about the body wave. Okay, body wave. So body wave travel through body of the earth in all directions. P wave are faster. P are the faster wave. Okay, and first to arrive in the surface. So it arrive on the surface first. And also called the primary waves. It is known as the primary wave. And P wave are similar to the sound wave. It is similar to the sound wave. Okay, and they vibrate parallel to the direction of wave. It's vibrate parallel to the direction. Parallel. P is parallel. P to P, P to parallel. Okay. So they travel through gaseous, liquid, and solid. All gaseous, liquid, and solids. All of the three. So these are the P wave. Now we are discussing about the S wave. S wave. So S wave are arrive in the surface some time lag, and also known secondary wave. Secondary. S for secondary. Okay, and they can travel only through solid material. Only solid material. Only solid material. S wave vibrate in direction perpendicular. It's perpendicular. But it's L, PL. PL is for the secondary wave, but perpendicular. Okay, and S wave are destructive in nature. These are destructive. Then P are not that much destructive. So parallel and perpendicular. So PD is there. PD will be destructive, but parallel. PR will never be destructive. Parallel will never be destructive. PD perpendicular will be destructive. Okay. Used by scientists to understand the structure of interior of the earth. Surface wave, body wave interact with the surface rock and generate new set of wave called the surface wave. Surface wave travel along the surface. It is known as a love wave also. So given the shadows, now seismograph located between the 105 degree epicenter and recorded the arrival of both P and S. And seismograph located between 145 epicenter denotes P but not S. So in 145 no S, but in 105 P and S both will be there. And centric entire zone of beyond 105 does not receive S wave. So 105 does not receive S wave, but shadow zone of S wave is much larger than P wave, and S is much larger than the P wave, the shadow zone. But there will be the P and S both. There will be only P, not S. Okay, so in 145 from epicenter, shadow zone of both the types of waves. Okay, in 145 both of type of waves you can see, but in 103 you can see only 105 you can see uh, only P, not the S. S will never be in 105. Okay, so S will never be in the 105, but 145 both will be there. So at 145 is the good epicenter where you can see the P wave but not the S wave. Okay, 145 you are not going to see the S wave, but you will see the P wave. But in 105 and 145 from epicenter is shadow zone, and both of the type of waves will be there between the 105 and 145. You will see the both of that, and 105 does not receive S wave. So 145 does not receive the P waves, okay, S waves, and 105 does not receive the S waves. So this is the all about 105 from epicenter recorded the arrival of both S and P. So 105 is the for the both S and P. Okay, but if 145 will be there, then only P will be there, not S will be there. So this is